If you have a house in Baltimore, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Baltimore. And the reason so many sellers of property or sellers of houses in Baltimore like working with us is we're going to make it extremely easy for you, extremely fair for you, because we're able to buy the house in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean, you don't need to haul anything away. Even if the house doesn't need a lot of work and you just want to sell it but not do anything, you don't have to pull out the broom and the dustpan, the paper towels, the Windex. No trips to the Home Depot, no trips to Lowe's or Ace Hardware, no hiring handymen, no hiring a contractor, no putting out any money. There's no money that you need to pay out to get this property sold. We truly buy the house in its as-is condition, and what allows us to do that is we're a cash buyer, and that's another big convenience factor for you who's selling this house in Baltimore. Is we're not relying on a bank or a mortgage company or that type of lender. So there's a lot of hoops to jump through with that type of lender, right? They're going to have formal inspections, formal appraisals, and that's where they go through every nook and cranny on your house and they compile all this information. It could only be used against you to renegotiate. And then if the house doesn't pass the appraisal, the deal could end up falling apart. You just wasted a lot of time, unfortunately. And in those situations, in real estate in general, time is money, because every day that goes by where you're waiting for this other type of buyer to qualify or waiting for the bank to qualify or whatever, it's another day that you're paying for property taxes, insurance, utilities, a mortgage, any holding costs or maintenance costs or anything like that. It's all coming right off your bottom line. So with us, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and we're a true cash buyer, so we can close on the date of your choice. So if you want to close quickly, we can accommodate that. If you need flexibility, we'll accommodate that. Whatever the case may be, we're local, we're not a call center, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what you are to us. So if you have a house in Baltimore, you're looking to sell it in its as-is condition for a fair price and have a very convenient and easy transaction, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it is a very easy conversation. There is no pressure, sales tactics, games, or gimmicks, or anything like that. And we're just going to want to get to know more about the house and then know more about your timeline, so we know when you want to close or know when you need to close. So once we have that, we'll make you a fair offer on the house. If the offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If the offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We will shake hands, we'll part as friends. So if you have a house in Baltimore, you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.